Hi there, Haris here from ShipPlugin. Today we have an exciting tutorial on WooGallery slider plugin settings and features. With the plugin, you can display product and variation gallery images or even add product videos. All in all, it gives you access to every features and functionalities you might need in a product gallery slider. Let me show you how you can enhance the visual appearance of your product single pages. So without further ado, let's get started. After installing the plugin in your WordPress dashboard, you will see a menu called WooGallery Slider. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. Here you can configure all the settings you need for a product gallery sliders. First, select a layout from horizontal bottom or top. By default, horizontal bottom layout is selected. Let's see how it looks in the front end. Go to a product and you can see this is how the horizontal bottom position looks like in the front end. If I change the layout to horizontal top and save the changes, refresh the page, then you can see the thumbnails are showing at the horizontal top position. If you want, you can change the number of thumbnails item to show. It indicates how many thumbnails you want to show in the front end. I have set the value to 6. That is why it is showing 6 thumbnails at the first place. Now let's get back to the horizontal bottom layout. Configure thumbnail space, thumbnail size, thumbnails border from here. Thumbnails hover effect is set as normal and active thumbnail style is set as border around. If you want to give an extra focus to your active thumbnail, then you can set this border around option. You can see the active thumbnails is getting a border around. If you want, you can change the border around width and color from here. Let's change the color to this one. Save the changes and refresh the page. You can see the active thumbnail is getting a green border I have set. Inactive thumbnails effect is set as normal. Most importantly, configure the gallery weight. According to your website design, you have already seen how it's shown as 50% in the product single page. If I set the value to 60 and save the changes, refresh the page, then you can see the gallery width is getting 60% of the total page. Now let's get back to 50%. Set the gallery width for responsive devices as well. Configure gallery bottom gap, gallery image sources and include featured image from here. Now let's move on to the gallery settings. Here you can configure the gallery slider controls related properties like slider orientation, infinite loop, sliding effect, adaptive height, accessibility, RTL and free mode. If you want to show the gallery slider navigation and pagination, show it from here. Then configure thumbnail navigation styles. By default, the navigation style is set as custom. You can configure the thumbnails navigation visibility like always or on hover. Configure thumbnails navigation icon size and color from here. In the product image, you can change the product image size, enable or disable the preloader, border radius, and image modes. Product image zoom can greatly enhance the visual appearance of your WooCommerce store. By default, the zoom is disabled. You can enable it from here, and the zoom style is selected as inside. Let me show you how it looks in the front end. Save the changes and refresh the page. You can see on hover the product image is zooming. So this is the inside zoom effect. It allows your users to display the products in great details. Enable or disable zoom for mobile devices. Now most importantly, go to the product video gallery tab. It allows you to add YouTube video to one of your product images. Let me show you how you can add a video to your product images. It's pretty simple. Just go to your product and click on edit product. Navigate product image tab and click on it. Just copy a video link from YouTube and paste it here and set it as product image. Update the product and view it. You can see this is how the video displayed in the front end. Now it's time to configure how do you want to play the video. By default, the video play mode is set as inline. You can see this is how the inline video play mode works. If I change it to pop-up and save the changes, refresh the page, then you can see when I click on the video icon, the video will display in a nice pop-up. To get other video sources support like self-hosted, Vimeo, Dailymotion and Facebook, you need a premium subscription of the plugin. To learn more about the premium plugin features and functionalities, check the link in the descriptions below. Now let's get back to the plugin. Next one is Lightbox tab. Here you can configure Lightbox sliding effect, Lightbox icon display position, Lightbox icon style, color, caption, and image counter. Now let's move on to the advanced settings. Here you can check the box to clean up data on the plugin deletion from your WordPress site. If the gallery slider is not displaying automatically on your product single pages, then use this shortcut to display the gallery in your product single pages. Those are important to run the plugin smoothly. And the next one is additional custom CSS tab. Here you can write down the custom CSS to modify the plugin default styling. That's all about the WooGallery Slider Pro plugin settings and features. If it was useful, give it a like and leave your feedback right in the comments below. For more tutorial videos like this, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the video.